Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how you can connect Outseta with Webflow. So this should be a very simple and easy video, so make sure to watch it from now till the end. Now, as you can see, how to integrate Outseta with Webflow, there's an article about it, and it said that Webflow already has it in the marketplace, so this is very good. And now for the benefits, well, basically the Outseta Webflow app provides direct access to membership features within Webflow Designer. You install it to manage authentication, payments, and member data without leaving your design environment. So let's go here, Marketplace, and then click on the applications. So here we go. And then you simply have to search for it. So I'm gonna simply remove this, remove that, and here we go. So I'm gonna click on that. And now what you should do is simple. Just click on this button, the blue button right here, install application, and you will be all set to go. You will need to create an account, of course, within Outseta, so sign in with Google. In case you had an account, you can simply just sign in with email and password. I'm going through this method. Oh, it's not sign in, it's sign up. For my case, so I would need to create an account. So you would simply go here, like that, and create yourself an account from this area. So let's go like this, like that. Once you go through this, you will be billed. As you can see, there is like 7 days free trial, and after that you will need to pay $47. But anyway, you will have to put your card credentials here. You'll need to put your last name, organization, and what you're building the creator account. And basically once you're finished, you will be going right here to your dashboard, and then click on the sites where you want to implement the application. So choose your workspace or workplace, and here I'm gonna click on this one. And after that, I'm gonna go ahead and click on application, which is gonna in the builder here. So here on app, and it should be right in this area. So that was pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.